So today I'm going to show you guys how to make some easy Halloween decorations, including this nice, icky spider egg sack. So starting with the shadow guide, take some poster board. Black is obviously better, but I'm using yellow to make it easy to see what I'm doing. You want to draw your little hands and your eyes. And I also do have a free template for this if you don't want to do it freehand. It should be popping up on your screen now, the link to that. Once you've got your little shadow man drawn out, cut him out with a pair of scissors. And then, of course, if it's black, it looks much better. So here it is when it's black. And you can just take some masking tape and stick it to a cupboard. Here I stuck it right under the lip of the cupboard so it looks like he's looking out. Or you can also be kind of cute and you could stick it on the back of your toilet under the top there so it looks like he's peering out from under the top of the toilet and really scare your party guests. If you want to add a little Halloween to some cups, just take some mugs with handles and some plastic spiders, and then take some twist ties, and you'll just want to put a little bit of hot glue or some other kind of glue on the twist tie and glue that right onto your spiders, right in the middle, and it gives you a little twist tie spider. And then you can just twist tie those right onto the handles of the mugs. And if you want to make them a little more permanent, you could also use glue, so you could get some mugs from the Salvation Army or something if you don't want to ruin some good mugs. Those little spider mugs. For the egg sack, I just took a long gourd. You could also take like a Nerf football or something, just anything that's kind of long shaped. Then take some white fabric. These are actually the sleeves left over from my Lilu costume, so save everything and recycle it. Cut off the excess. And you can glue the edges down if you want to, but I'm just going to cover them in spider web, so I'm not going to worry about it. So take some of that stretchy spider web stuff and spread it out so you got a thin layer of the spider web. And lay that out on the ground. Set your fabric covered oval right in the center of it and pull the spider web up around it. That'll close off the ends too. Adjust as necessary. And then just take a little piece of thread and wind that right around the top. And once you've got that tied, just save the ends of the thread because they'll be your hanger in a few minutes. Cut off the excess spider web and then tie those excess thread ends into a little loop. But you've got a nice little way to hang your little spider egg sack. So then take some plastic spiders and you just want to glue a bunch of those at different places along the egg sack. Coat it really good. Then take a few more spiders and wrap them with some nice thin white thread. Put the end of the thread through a needle, and then just run your needle through the bottom of the egg sac. You want to get it through the white fabric because the spider web itself won't hold as well. So just take it right through the white fabric and then just tie that off so that you end up with several little hanging spiders. So here it is all hanging, and the light's kind of turning orange, but it really is a white spider sack with spiders.